Hi, it's John here. Today I'm not going to do any cooking. I'm going to share with you some kitchen tips. A lot of time when you're doing cooking, some recipe call for a small amount of coconut milk or coconut cream. But once you open a can of coconut milk or cream, you don't know how to deal with what's the leftover. Sometimes you put it in your fridge, it'll go bad in a few days. So what I normally do is to put it in a nice cube tray and then put it in a freezer to freeze it in cubes. Put it in a Ziploc bag and put it back into your freezer. So next time whenever you need any coconut milk or coconut cream, just take out the appropriate amount and then defrost it and you will have coconut cream. So you don't need to open another can. Try this, hopefully it helps. So just put it in a bag, lay it flat, zip it up and put in the freezer. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the notification of new video. Please do come back and watch my cooking and travel video. See you next time.